In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of all devices on Canva. If you want to log out of Canva everywhere at once, maybe for security reasons or just to clean up old sessions, this is a quick and useful setting to know. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your computer without any confusion. Start by opening canva.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. You'll need to be logged in before you can access the account settings where this option is located. After you're signed in, look to the lower left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From that menu, select your account. This takes you to the main area where you can manage important settings connected to your Canva profile. Once you're on your account page, click Account and Security. This section contains the settings related to login activity, account protection, and other security controls. So this is the right place to go when you want to manage where your account is signed in. Next, scroll down until you reach the Account Action section. Take your time here if needed because the option you're looking for is lower on the page. In this section, you'll find the setting labeled Sign Out of All Devices. Go ahead and click Sign Out of All Devices. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the action. Click Confirm to continue. As soon as you do that, Canva will sign your account out from every device currently connected to it, including other computers, phones, and tablets. If you still want to keep using Canva on the device you're on right now, don't worry. You can simply sign back in again right away after the process is complete. One quick tip before we wrap up. If you're signing out of all devices because you think someone else may have accessed your account, it's a smart idea to change your password immediately afterward. That adds an extra layer of protection and helps make sure no one can sign back in using your old password. As to quickly recap, open canva.com and sign in, click your profile picture and choose your account. Go to Account and Security, scroll down to Account Actions, then click Sign Out of All Devices and confirm.